How to get the twins filter. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the twins filter. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to your TikTok application, then go to the plus button, then you have that option that's called effect. Then you have a lot of filters. If you don't find the twins filter, just go back, go to discover and tap twin filter effect. I don't see the filter, but I see a lot of videos. I'm gonna choose one video and I'm gonna choose the filter, which called Inchman something like that. Tap on there and this is the filter. You can see these videos for your record, and if you want to try this filter, just tap on try this effect, and this is it. And now you can record your video with this filter, and you can also add sound by tapping up there at the sound, and you can just start record your video. So this is it. Hope you like the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like.